Taskade is a collaborative task management and note-taking app that helps you get things done. It is a web-based app with apps for iOS, Android, Mac and Windows. You can also collaborate with your team members and chat with your personal AI in every project. In this guide, we will show you how to use Taskade AI iOS app to boost your productivity and creativity. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Let's get started. To download and install Taskade AI iOS app, you need to have an iOS device that runs on iOS 13.0 or later. You can follow these steps to get the app. Open the App Store on your iOS device and search for Taskade AI Productivity. Tap on the Get button and then on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap on the Open button to launch it. How to create a project and a task list. Taskade is built on a simple hierarchy that consists of workspaces, folders and projects. To create a project and a task list, you need to sign up for a free account or log in with your existing account. You can follow these steps to create a project and a task list. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to create a new project. Enter a name of your project and choose a color and an icon for it. You will see a blank task list in your project. You can enter a title for your task list and start adding tasks by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also use templates to create task lists for different purposes such as brainstorming, meeting notes, weekly planner, etc. To use templates, tap on the templates icon at the top right corner of the screen and choose a template that suits your needs. How to use Taskade AI commands. To use Taskade AI commands, you need to open a project and start writing. Then you can tap on the robot icon in the keyboard toolbar to access a world of AI-powered commands that can take your productivity to the next level. Here are some of the exciting AI commands you can try. AI Ask. Get instant answers to your burning questions based on AI's existing knowledge. For example, you can ask, what is the capital of France? Or who is the president of USA? And get answers from AI. AI Outline. Quickly generate a structured hierarchy of your topic or question with AI's help. For example, you can enter how to write a blog post or what are the benefits of meditation and get an outline from AI. AI Expand. Make your content more descriptive and engaging with AI's enrichment tool. For example, you can enter I like pizza or Taskade is awesome and get more details from AI. AI Rewrite. Improve the legibility and clarity of your writing with AI's assistance. For example, you can enter I'm very happy today or this book is good and get better sentences from AI. AI Summarize. Save time and turn lengthy content into a quick summary with AI's summarization feature. For example, you can copy and paste a long article or a book chapter and get a summary from AI. How to collaborate with others. To collaborate with others, you need to invite them to your project or workspace. You can follow these steps to collaborate with others. Tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the share menu. You can invite others by email, by link or by QR code. You can also choose whether you want them to have view only or edit access. Once they join your project or workspace, you can see their avatars at the top of the screen. You can also chat with them in real time by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can assign tasks to them by tapping on their avatars in the task list. You can also mention them in the chat or in the tasks by using @ followed by their name. How to sync your data across devices. To sync your data across devices, you need to have an internet connection and log in with the same account on all devices. Your data will be automatically synced across all devices that have Taskade AI app installed or that access Taskade AI from the web browser. Offline mode. Taskade needs to have an active internet connection to be used. Any changes made while offline will be saved locally on the app and will resync once there is an established fast internet connection. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.